Hello everyone, this is Laravel Marketplace. If you want to for target.com for clone e-commerce scripts, so if you order and then for I'll for start working, I'll do for multi-vendor e-commerce website clone for basic price for $299 and standard price $499 and premium price is $999. Premium price you can implement for anything, so you can no coding required, you can drag and drop system, you can create anything for and bin panel and fountain panel fully customization design and Laravel included with Vue.js included. So if you interest this clone need for clone target e-commerce website, so if you order and then for our team for start working, this 100% responsive and multi-vendor also global e-commerce website support and also for your required fulfill. So if you interest this project, you can order and then for I will for start working. Thank you so much. Link description below.